Hey everyone, it's Ken Paulson. I've got the Data Monkey with me here, and for our very first Monkey Shorts video, I thought what we would actually cover here is the number one change that I make to my settings when I install Excel on a new computer to make my Power Query life a lot easier. So to illustrate that, let me just go and take a look at my data here. I've started in a blank workbook. I've created a new query from file from folder, which led to this files list that shows a couple of text files. I referenced it to make a transactions query, then combined the files, went into the transform sample file and cleaned them up so that I've now got in my transactions listing here a nice clean list of transactions from every file that's been stacked into one big long list. So far, so good. The problem is if I now go and hit close and load and I'm using Excel's defaults, what's going to happen is I'm going to get a new worksheet for every single one of these queries that has the little table icon right here. Now in Power BI, this is super easy to change. We just go right click on the ones we don't want, like transform sample file, and we uncheck the box that says enable load. But you'll notice that we don't have that option in Excel, which is a little bit frustrating. If we have 100,000 rows per every one of these files, I don't want to load them to Excel, wait for the worksheets to be created, all the data to load on a one-by-one basis, and then have to go and clean them up. So instead, you'll notice when I go and hit close and load, what happens? It actually creates connection-only queries for absolutely everything. And then all I need to do is go to transactions, say load to, and change to load to table, and boom, there we go. So instead of loading 3 different worksheets, waiting for them to load, and then having to go and delete one, wait for it to unload, delete another one, wait for it to unload, I can actually make this a lot quicker because connection-only queries are created really, really fast, and then I only have to change the load destinations for the one I want, waiting for those to load. So to make this change, you'd go to your Data tab, Get Data, Query Options. We're going to go to the Data Load option inside here. And by default, what your Power Query instance will look like is this. Use standard load settings. We want to change that to specify custom default load settings. But then at that point, Power Query automatically has this checkbox checked, which is the original default load destinations where everything is loaded to worksheet. So we're going to uncheck that as well. Make sure that load to data model is also unchecked. And at this point, when you say OK, you've now saved your load default. So anytime you create multiple queries in one instance of Power Query and you hit close and load, they're automatically all going to go to connection only. And then you can toggle the desired load behavior query by query through the queries and connections pane. I think you'll find this is going to save you a lot of time, particularly if you actually build lots of queries in one instance of Excel. Thank you for watching this episode of Monkey Shorts. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click on the Skillwave logo on the bottom left in order to subscribe to our channel. Or if you'd like to see more videos in the series, click on the playlist tile on the right. And if you'd like to get more comprehensive training, you should definitely check out our website at skillwave.training.